Have you ever been using a spirit level? You're squinting at the bubble, trying to see it, or you're inside a cupboard where it's dark and you can't see it. You don't have to anymore because there's a new kid on the block. This is the Franklin 12-inch eye level. Now you might think, oh, that's just a normal spirit level, mate. So what? It's just a little torpedo level. It's not though, because this level's got a little secret. It uses colours to tell you when you're level. We've all been there when you're looking at a spirit level and you're trying to see if it's in the centre and you can't quite see because it's too high up or it's not light enough in the room. Well, you don't have to now because you can use the Franklin 12-inch eye level. Now this level has got 3 colours, a bit like traffic lights for DIYers. So if it's not level, and you should have gone to Specsavers, it'll be red. If you're nearly level, it'll change to yellow. And when you're level, it'll change to green. And that doesn't matter whether you're doing horizontal levels or vertical levels. So it takes all the guesswork out of leveling your projects up. Now I never thought I would describe a level as cool, but here we are. I think it just looks funky just to put on a shelf. If you want to be old fashioned, you've still got the bubbles there. And you've also got a magnetic strip, so it'll stick to any metal surface. So don't waste your time with an old fashioned spirit level. Get yourself a Franklin eye level. And I'll see you lot on the next one.